Hello guys, my name is Radhan. Today we are going to unbox the DJI Avata 2 and see how the design is better than the DJI Avata 1. So let's go and unbox it. I got my plate. So in the package you first get the DJI Avata 2, and if you are buying the DJI Avata 2 and you are pro FPV flyer, you have to buy separately a DJI remote controller 3. The benefits in DJI radio controller 3 is actually there is no antenna in it. Let's get this box away. And this is the DJI Avata 2, which way you are waiting for. Now let's open it. Actually I was wrong.
यहाँ पे मारो. बस. That's it.
That's it.
Tear it off.
Tear it off. And here it is. Now we have to peel it as it says. Now keep this away. Now let's open. It's kind of hard, but it's not that bad. And here we come. And you have to scan this QR code before first use, or else it will not connect from your phone. I mean, not app. No.
यहाँ से उठाओ. दो हाथ से उठाओ. हाँ. There you go.
Here it is. As you can see, the DJI Avata 2's backpack is little bigger than the DJI Mini and Mavics. Now,
This is the front.
and this is the front.
So
It's
you
a good little case.
Open it.
You need to buy a case if you are a manual flyer, because it doesn't have that much space if you like to fly also with the motion controller 3. Stuck a bit. See what's the issue? Here it is, I think. Yeah. And here we go. Now yes, you have some extra pops over here. And I think this is the Flymo combo pack. Yeah. It's the Flymo combo.
Open it.
And we have to open it from here. Like this. This wrapping. And here it is. We get 2 extra batteries, and if you like to, it has an increased battery life. Here's the radio controller, motion controller 3, and we open it, and it's a bit smaller than the motion controller 2, and also you can, there's this angle to do.
There's a dial.
Dial.
Okay. Now just take out the goggles.
This is the goggles.
These are the goggles.
Not here. Please open it. It's a box. Let's do it. And here we go. Here it comes. You get a foam piecing for the packaging, and here are this thingies. And here are the goggles 3. In the goggles 3, there are few differences. Now you have like a curtain something for the nose, so people can breathe properly. And over here you have two cameras. So if
हाथ हटाओ आगे से.
if you actually can't see through the goggles, you don't need to do it up. Double tap somewhere and you can see the feed by the cameras in the front. Let's keep this away.
Okay, keep it here.
Okay.
We'll drop it.
And this is the thing which we are waiting for, the DJI Avata 2. And it also comes with the same wrapping with the other things. And here it is, Avata 2. And as you can see, it is little bigger than the Avata 1, and a few more differences, like there are the sensors on the back, not in the middle and the down from the Avata 1, and the battery comes in here, which you can place. Let this keep this away. Now you can place this like this. Put this like this. Now it is connected. Now you can charge all of them.
Are these on? No, these are not on. These are not activated.
Because you have to charge them and
charge to activate.
Activate.
So it's written here, right? Charge to activate the intelligent flight battery. Okay, that's it.
Yeah, but I have some things to tell about the DJI Avata 2.
Okay.
First thing, the battery. The battery life is more increased, so you can fly more in manual mode. Second, it is little bigger, also has 3 propeller fans on the motors. And the motors are little bit more powerful. These motors can go up to 31 miles per hour. And it has O4 transmission, which makes it much better for the video quality. Also, it is 120 FPS, which makes even better in your videos if you are a shooter. And
good. Anything else?
No. And you can, I think these are the grip plates, so if you want to hold it, you can hold like this. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. See you later. Bye.